Bolognese has... So I was gonna say, Bolognese has no garlic. Today we're gonna do the official recipe from Bologna. It's a city in Italy, the best city for food in Italy. If you ask me, they're so serious about the food there that they have the official recipe on the City Hall's website. That's gonna be our recipe today. Facciamola. Let's do it. Okay, before we start, we're already breaking the recipes. They said on the website, do not use a blender. Now, I usually chop my veggies, but I know that you don't want to do that. Using a blender, it's more than fine, trust me.
Finally chop or blend your onions, celery and carrots. In Italy we call this trito misto, it's the base of the Italian cuisine, used in many recipes for its deep, sweet flavor. Once you have it, keep it aside for a second while you fry the pancetta in a heated skillet. No olive oil for now. Pancetta is cured pork belly, kinda like bacon. It's very fatty and it's gonna fry in its own oil. After 5-6 minutes, go in with il trito misto, the veggies mix. Stir at high until the veggies start releasing water, then it's time for the ground beef. Try to get it high in fat. 20-80, it's perfect. Cook again until the meat switches to a grey, brownish color, then deglazed with a nice cup of red wine.
When we're cooking with wine, this is gonna be true for a lot of my videos and recipes, the indicator to stop cooking it is the smell. You gotta learn how alcohol smells, and when you don't smell alcohol anymore, you move forward with whatever recipes we're making.
When the alcohol smell is gone, add tomato paste to the party and mix until it blends in the sauce. The color is gonna switch to bright orange, and that's exactly what you're looking for. Once all the paste is blended, go in with the tomato puree. No additives, no basil or oregano, just tomatoes and salt. Stir again for 2 or 3 minutes.
Okay, did you see we didn't add any liquid to the ragu? We're adding just now vegetable broth. If you look at the website that I link in the description, you're gonna see they say either water or broth. I personally think broth makes all the difference in terms of flavor. I suggest you to use vegetable broth. If you don't have it, go with water as the website says. That's pretty much it. Now this has to simmer for at least 3 hours. I'd say minimum 3 hours, I usually do 4. And we're adding salt and pepper at the end. Now as always, we go in the kitchen, because this is not my kitchen. We put it on low, we let it simmer for at least 3 hours, coming every now and then to stir. Ci vediamo tra 3 ore. See you in 3 hours. Three hours so far, we didn't even season it. It already smells great, look great. Now, the website called for an optional cup of milk at the end or kinda halfway through. I'm gonna add it now, season it, and that's it. A nutmeg. I will finish this just with bread, but this is actually just a base recipe. In Italy we use it to do lasagna, cannelloni. Tagliatelle al ragu is definitely the most popular dish, in fact. That's actually what I'm making for myself today. I'm not gonna show you, but you're gonna see those videos on my profile very soon. Use this video as a reference. Always come back to see it when I'm gonna call for bolognese. You know what you have to look for. Come back here and make it from scratch. You saw it. No garlic. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna keep going and make pasta. You subscribe to the channel. Ciao.